Okay, it's finally time for me to count what I was able to save in my sinking funds in the month of October. I have been wanting to film this video for a while now and just haven't gotten around to it, so it's time. It's November now. So let's get going and see what we were able to save. Now, I literally just filmed my cash stuffing and I did stuff some sinking funds in that video, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of finagling as far as some of the money I have in here, but I'll explain it as I go, so don't worry about it. You will have already seen my cash stuffing also, because this video is not going to come out till next week, but yeah, just don't worry about it. I'll explain it. Okay, so Amazon Prime, we started with $140. We now have $100, $20, $40, $60. So $160 here in Prime. We're doing great with that. We only have $60 more to go to fully fund that. So $160, so we have plus 20 there. Sewing, we started with 0. We still have 0. All right, beauty, we started with $54. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 284. Yes, 284 because I finished the savings challenge from Janelle Ray Budgets. That was 200. So 284. So that's what, plus 230? Yes. Okay, vacay, we started with 83. Okay, so this is one of the ones that I stuffed 60 in. So let's take 60 out. So before that we had 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 169, I think. Let me just double check. Yes, that's correct. All right, so 169 for vacay. So that is plus 86. Okay, subscriptions. We started with 170. We now have 100, 150, 70, 90, 205, 205. And my Supernatural subscription is coming out this month, so some of that will be spent. So that's plus 35. All increases so far. Good stuff. All right, emergency, we started with $13.55. This is another one that I just stuffed. I stuffed 20 into it, so let's take that out. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, so 1,300, 1,350, 65. So 1,365, so that's plus 10. Debt was another one I just stuffed. We started with 0 in debt. And I just put 25 in here, and so that's 25. And I'm sorry if this is confusing you. I'm just taking out what I just stuffed in November to make sure I'm only counting the money that I, added in October. So that's why I'm taking some money out. All right, Wendy, we started with 0. We still have 0. Medical, we started with 40. And we only have 10 in there. We have had some doctor's visits. And yeah, so the money has been spent. Okay, groceries, we started with 95. We now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95. So no change there. 95 in groceries. House, we started with 145. I guarantee that's probably what we still have. 100, 20, 30, 45. Yep, 145 still in house. Taxes. Okay, we started with 1607. I know this one went up. We now have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 51, 52. So 22, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2. 2282 in taxes. 2282. So that is, wow, plus 675 in the month of October. Crazy. Okay. I really hope I don't need that money for taxes so I can put it towards debt. That would be amazing. Even if I have some to go towards debt, that would be amazing. All right, tummy tuck, we started with 120. We still have 120 in here. Haven't stuffed this since June. It's obviously not a priority right now with the debt that I have, so. All right, that is it for the first binder. I am trying to go quick because I do have a savings challenge video that I want to film, and it is close to getting up time for my daughter. All right, Black Friday. Now, we did have 300. I did spend 300, but I did stuff this a little more. So let's see what we have now. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 40. So 140. So that is minus, not plus, minus 160. Okay, Christmas, we had 820. We are so close to fully funding this one, you guys. So exciting. Okay, so we now have 5, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 900, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. 985. So what's that? 165. Yes, plus 165. Okay, we're doing good. All right, Penelope, we started with 94. She did not have her grooming appointment, so I didn't spend any of this. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 55, 155, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 164 in here. So we're at plus 70 here for this. Lots of increases. I'm liking this. All right, household, we had 185. We probably still have that. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 2, 4, 5. 185 still in household, which is good. I don't want to use that if I don't have to. Clothing, we started with 110. I wiped that out, so that's minus 110. That's a big hit. Car maintenance, we had 126. This I did just stuff $10 into. So before that we had 100, 10, 25, 26. So still 126. Oh, you know what? I'm just realizing Black Friday would have been Black Friday. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. Black Friday, I did put 20 into, but I'm not even going to worry about it. All right, so holidays, we started with 115. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 15 still. So no difference there, which is good. And then last but not least, birthdays and gifting, we started with 200. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 175, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 180, which I just took $20 out of here, so that makes sense. It's minus 20. All right, now comes the fun part. We get to add everything up and see what kind of progress we made. So we started out October with $5,759 in our sinking funds. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the ending balance to see what we ended with. All right, you guys, the totals are in. So we were able to save $996 in the month of October, giving us a total of $6,755 in our sinking funds. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I want to go back to January and see. Oh, you know what? I took January and February out because my binder was getting too thick. Let's check March and see what we had in March. In March, we had $36.89. So not too bad for the beginning of the year, but wowza. I am stunned by this number. Wow, I'm pretty speechless. If you have not tried cash stuffing and you want to, please just take the plunge. If it doesn't work for you, fine, you can stop it, but I bet it's going to change your life because it changed mine, and this is literal proof right here on paper that cash stuffing works. Wow. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.